You called the pest control company. They showed up in a truck the size of a food van, dragged a hose through your backyard, and sprayed everything. The deck, the bushes, the lawn chairs. $230 later, you sat outside for 3 days without a single bite. Then week 4 hit, and they came back.
That's not a service, that's a subscription.
There's a compound that eliminates your yard's mosquito population at the source, permanently. It's been in EPA filings since 1991, and there's one number in the pest control industry's own service contract that explains exactly why you've never heard about it. I'll show you that number at the 7-minute mark. Stick around. The spray they use is called permethrin, synthetic derivative of permethrin, a compound extracted from chrysanthemum flowers since the 1880s. At commercial bulk pricing, the version your exterminator loads into that truck costs 18 cents per 1,000 square feet. The average suburban lot in the United States, 10,871 square feet. Their product cost per visit, $1.96. They're charged to you, $230. They call the $228.04 difference a service fee. That math is not an accident. But here's what the math conceals. Permethrin does not kill mosquito larvae. It kills adult mosquitoes on contact for 21 to 30 days, which is precisely long enough for the next generation to hatch, which is precisely long enough for them to bill again. This wasn't an oversight. It was a design decision made in a specific year for a specific reason. In 1948, the World Health Organization adopted DDT as the global standard for mosquito eradication. At exactly that moment, a parallel research track, biological controls targeting larvae from natural sources, lost its funding base. Not because the research failed, because it only needed to work once. The compound that track produced is called BTI, Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, a soil bacterium discovered in the Negev Desert in 1976 and EPA-registered for residential use in 1991. It has appeared in entomology journals, WHO technical documents, and university extension programs for 40 years. It has never appeared in a pest control sales pitch, not once. Because a compound that kills larvae at the source doesn't require a return visit, and a $14.6 billion industry does not survive on solutions that work permanently. But the spray limitation is actually the least interesting part of this, because what they're deliberately leaving untouched in your yard is something I want to show you specifically. Here's the number that changes your entire understanding of why the spray never solves it. 300 feet. 94% of mosquitoes in a residential yard breed within 300 feet of where they're standing. They don't migrate from the next block. They don't drift in from a neighbor's pond. The mosquitoes biting you tonight were larvae in your yard last week. Every mosquito needs one thing to complete that cycle. Standing water. 4 millimeters deep. For 7 days. A bottle cap. A clogged gutter. A tarp in the corner of the yard. A bird bath that hasn't been emptied since spring. A flower pot saucer. A low spot in the lawn after rain. That's the nursery, and no pest control company has ever touched it. Their spray targets adult mosquitoes and foliage. The breeding population, every larva in every standing water source on your property, is left completely intact, which means their service doesn't reduce next month's population, it reduces this week's, exactly as designed. Here's why the BTI solution works at the molecular level, and why this is chemistry, not a folk remedy. BTI produces a protein called crytoxin during sporulation. When a mosquito larva ingests it, the alkaline environment of the larval midgut, pH around 9.5, activates the toxin. It binds to specific glycoprotein receptors in the gut epithelium. Those receptors exist only in certain dipteran larvae, mosquitoes, black flies, fungus gnats, not in fish, not in birds, not in mammals, not in bees. The gut lining ruptures, the larva stops feeding within hours, and dies within 24. No resistance has been documented in field populations after 40 years of use. This is targeted biological chemistry, the same mechanism used in organic agriculture globally since the 1980s. Right now you might be thinking, if this has been EPA-registered since 1991, and it's available at Home Depot for $10.97, why hasn't any pest control company simply adopted it? Here's the answer. BTI is a natural compound. It cannot be patented. It costs 46 cents per standing water site at retail pricing. It requires no truck, no technician, no quarterly visit. A product that eliminates the source problem permanently cannot generate the repeat revenue that keeps a franchise operational. The economics didn't select for the solution. They selected against it. Nobody made a boardroom decision to hide it. The business model made the decision for them. But there's a layer below the business model I want to show you, one that's documented in writing. Stop. One number before we continue. 34,000. That's the number of formal complaints filed against mosquito control companies with the FTC in 2022 alone. Public record, searchable, sitting in their database right now. Ineffective treatment. Return visits that changed nothing. Billing for a problem that was never addressed at its source. 34,000 people paid for a service that structurally cannot work, and not a single major franchise changed the product. They updated the sales script. Here's how deep the documentation goes. In 1991, when the EPA-registered BTI for residential use, the National Pest Management Association submitted formal commentary to the EPA requesting that biological larvicide products be prohibited from direct-to-consumer retail sale. Their stated justification? Proper application requires professional training. BTI application requires dropping a tablet into standing water. The commentary failed. BTI reached retail shelves. But look at what the industry did next. And this is the part that is documented in writing. Call any of the 3 largest mosquito control franchises today and ask specifically about standing water larvicide treatment. They will offer you a comprehensive protection plan that includes it as a premium add-on. $40 to $80 per visit, on top of the base service rate. The same compound sold at Home Depot for $10.97. The professional training argument didn't disappear when the EPA rejected it. It migrated into the service tier structure. Source control became a premium. Foliage spray, the treatment that guarantees return visits, became standard. The barrier to you doing this yourself was never chemical. It was never logistical. It was informational. And there's a specific line in their service agreement that codifies exactly how they maintained it. I pulled the standard service agreements from 3 of the largest mosquito control franchises operating in the US. Page 2, Section 3B, Standard Coverage Definition. Every contract explicitly excludes standing water source treatment from the base service. Their core program, the $230 per visit program, covers foliage spray only. Larvicide treatment for standing water is listed as a premium add-on. $40 to $80 per visit. Separate line item. Opt-in. They didn't just fail to offer the effective solution, they wrote its exclusion into the contract. Deliberately. Legally. And then built a revenue tier around selling it back. Now here's the number from the 7-minute mark. The one their sales teams don't recite. A seasonal package from a major mosquito control franchise costs $418.73 in the average US market. 7 spray visits, March through October. Permethrin product cost for those 7 visits at commercial bulk, $13.72. Labor, 45 minutes per visit at $19 per hour field technician rate. 7 visits, $99.75. Their total cost to deliver your seasonal service, $113.47. Their charge, $418.73. That's a 269% margin on your discomfort. Not because the product is sophisticated, because the contract keeps the fix out of reach. I have to be straight with you, because the honest answer matters here. If your mosquito pressure is coming from a drainage ditch, a wetland, or unmaintained property adjacent to yours, treating your own standing water sources will reduce your exposure, but won't eliminate it. You're working with a population that partially breeds outside your control boundary. For that situation, the right path involves municipality-level BTI application through your county vector control program. Many offer it free upon request. But for the majority of suburban homeowners with controllable standing water on their own property, what I'm about to show you addresses 80 to 90% of your yard's mosquito generation, permanently, at the source. The compound, Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis. Retail name, Mosquito Bits, or Mosquito Dunks. Available at Home Depot, Lowe's, and Amazon. A bag costs $10.97 and treats 24 standing water sites for 30 days per application. Start with a 20-minute audit. Walk your property. Locate every standing water source within 300 feet. Gutters, bird baths, flower pot saucers, tarps, wheelbarrows, children's toys, trash lids, old tires, any depression that holds rain. Write them down. You will find more than you expect. Then treat each one. 1 mosquito bit per square foot of water surface. The larva ingests the crytoxin within hours. The midgut receptors bind. Gut epithelium ruptures. Within 24 hours, the larval population in that source is eliminated. Adults cannot reproduce into a treated nursery. Your yard's population collapses within 2 breeding cycles, approximately 14 days. After that, maintenance is the only remaining work. Check your sources after significant rainfall. Retreat any that overflowed and refilled. Once a month through summer. For dry resting zones, under deck boards, along fence lines, in mulch beds, food-grade diatomaceous earth at $7.84 per bag dehydrates adult mosquitoes on contact through mechanical abrasion of the exoskeleton. No chemistry, no toxicity to anything above larval insects. Combined annual treatment, $18.81. One trip to the hardware store. The mosquito control industry generated $14.6 billion last year. Every dollar of it depends on you not knowing what you just learned.
That's not a conspiracy, that's an income statement.
This week, walk your yard. Find 3 standing water sources you didn't know you had. Tell me in the comments exactly what you found. A gutter, a saucer, a forgotten tarp, a tire. I want the specific list. Every person who does that audit is 1 fewer quarterly subscription. That's what this channel is for. Next video. They charge $389 to remove a single wasp nest. The liquid that collapses 1 in 60 seconds costs 47 cents. In 9 states, that information was formally argued against, and the stated reason has nothing to do with your safety.